DJT stock analysis next week, 22nd of July. Is it a buy? Watch this short video till the end because I'm covering all about this in this short 1 minute video. So, Trump media. Yes, I'm looking for a buy, and yes, I'm not gonna buy just randomly, but here we go. I'm using a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions in 2023, 2024, and I'm telling you all this because it is the truth, and I've like literally documented everything. So I want to see, like, this looks crazy, you know. This is pretty much me just calling out that this price is gonna go up like 140% like this. You know, that's not how stuff works. That's why management game is very important, and the only case in which I'd get inside, like, buy here, receive the price, gives me a double break. By doing what? By either breaking double time above here or going lower and then giving me that exact double break that I'm talking about. So definitely, there we go. That's exactly how I'll play this. All I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions. So if you want to learn it for free, all the reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.